Okay, I've had a problem with my door locks buzzing. Seems to come from the rear passenger sliding door. I've checked all over online to see if I could find an answer. All I get is words like, actuator and door lock mechanism, and the worst word, of course, is dealership. So I want to find a cheap fix. So here's my van. And just to give you an idea of what that noise is, just pressing my remote to open the door or lock it, annoying noise. Got my tools all ready, flashlight, because I get into the dark there. I've gone and removed the door panel and took a look to see if there was anything visual that I could see, but there wasn't. However, I put the door panel back on after looking inside and seeing where the sound was actually coming from. Looked like to be the motor, and where that led to. It led to those four little pins on the door, which contact on the other side. Quick fix, if you're just concerned about the noise. In my case, my door doesn't lock either, but I don't keep valuables in this thing. Quick fix, XJ37 electrical tape. Cover up your little contact pads, and locks, unlocks, or in my case, it stays open all the time, but the buzzing is gone. Take away the XJ37, buzzing is back. Put that in place once again. Quick fix for the Ford Windstar sliding door lock buzzing problem. Hope that helps you out. Help me.